Let's be honest. Your life's a mess. You're stuck, frustrated, burned out, and sick of your own excuses. Good. That means you're ready. Ready to unfuck your life. Here's how to do it in 3 brutal, honest steps. Step 1. Clean your damn space. Your room, your desk, your phone, your mind. Chaos outside equals chaos inside. Start with your room. Toss the crap you don't need. Wipe the dust off your goals. Order equals momentum. Momentum equals action. Action equals change. Step 2. Call yourself out. No more, "I'm tired, I don't have time, I'll start Monday." That's the voice of future regret. Discipline doesn't come from motivation. It comes from doing it anyway. No one's coming to save you. You have to save you. Step 3. Build a routine and treat it like your life depends on it. Wake up early. Move your body. Eat like you give a damn about your future. Journal your chaos out. Say no to people, apps, habits that drain you. Repetition rewires reality. Keep going, even when it sucks. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to stop waiting. Fix your space. Fix your mindset. Fix your habits. Every tiny win adds up. It's not easy, but it is worth it. Now get up and unfuck your life. Start now, not later.